Let's do this! Welcome back, you dirty smith, you! This is your first time here. My name's Rory. This is the shop dog, Axel. He's so cold. Oh. And I am part of the family business known as Taldera Forge LLC. We do custom architectural ironwork, so these are real projects with real clients and real deadlines. And I've been doing a series of videos on the most recent project of this wine cellar door. I assembled everything, took a step back, and noticed that the right side looked a little taller than the left by a solid 1/4 inch. So that meant all the rivets that I used to put in, I needed to take out. As far as tolerances in the shop, it needs to be exactly what the measurement says it needs to be. Situations like this, a 1/4 inch, that was way too much. It was worth the 2 hours it took me to fix this, rather than installing it and the client notices, hey, this is crooked. Meanwhile, I'm working on this. Craig is working on a 3-sided fire screen stand. So I'll be sharing what he's working on as well. You talk? Talk. Talk. What? Talk. Talk. Oh my gosh. Oh. I know that you can't see it, but believe me, I could see it. And I felt better that I fixed it. If you'd like to support my efforts in taking the time to make these videos for you to consume and be entertained, give a like and even a subscribe. And if you really like what you see, visit dirtysmith.com, where I have taken the time to design unique, genuine blacksmithing themed swag, unlike anything you've seen before. And that is true. Thanks for watching, but most of all, keep it dirty. Thanks, guys. A half lab, half pit, and he's not very impressed and he wants to go. I'm trying to make him stay. A shake? Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah, he's not impressed.